Jubu learns.
Hello kids, let's see how to draw 4 kinds of puppet toys. First, ice cream. Draw a straight line and a smaller straight line and join these 2 straight lines with a slipping line. Then for the ice cream stick, draw 2 small lines and curve it with a curve. And at the top, draw 1 curve and 2 smaller curves to look like a white ice cream. Now draw sleeping lines as shown in the video. And with the circle stencils, draw smaller circles inside the ice cream toy. Unicorn puppet. Draw an unicorn as shown in the video with the horn. And draw sleeping lines as shown in the video. Then draw small circles with the circle stencils inside the unicorn. Now strawberry. Draw a strawberry shape as shown in the video with a stem and leaves. Now draw sleeping lines with circle stencils. Draw small circles. Now draw juice can like strawberry, unicorn and ice cream. Draw sleeping lines and circles. Juice puppet is ready. Now coloring time. Dark blue, orange, purple, light blue. Highlight with marker. Blue, brown, pink, dark green, yellow. Highlight with marker. Unicorn puppet. Brown, pink, blue, yellow, dark green, pink. Green for leaves. Brown, blue, pink, blue, yellow, brown. Highlight with marker. Beautiful puppets are ready.